Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your study at your home. Students, I am Somitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of LPM Public School, which is situated in Golab Bazar. Welcome you all in our new online video class. Students, let me remind you once again that in previous video lecture, we have covered the concepts of prefix and suffix. In previous videos, we have discussed about what prefix and suffix are. But in this particular video lecture, we are going to discuss about the exercises of prefix and suffix. So students, let's start. Student, this is exercise number 1. What is in exercise number 1? Read these prefix and suffix and their meanings. Then fill in the blanks with the meanings of the new words formed. One has been done for you. Students, in this exercise, we have to read the meanings of prefix and suffix. Then we have to fill in the blanks with the meaning of these new words. One has been done for you. First one is by. By is a prefix. What is the meaning of by? Two. And the new word bicycle, which means two wheels. Second one is miss. What is the meaning of miss? Miss means wrong or bad. When we add miss with fortune, what becomes a new word? Misfortune means bad luck. Now third one is im. What is the meaning of im? Im means not. And what is the meaning of the new word impossible? Impossible means not able to be done. Now next, fourth is ir. What is the meaning of ir? Ir means one who. And what is the meaning of the new word performer? Performer means a person who performs for audience. I hope students these are clear to you. Now next one is less. Less means without. And what is the meaning of the new word powerless? Powerless means without strength. Without strength. Now next one is full. What is the meaning of full? Full means full of. And what is the meaning of the new word joyful? Joyful means very happy. Now next one is mono. Mono means one. And what is the meaning of the new word monolingual? Monolingual means using only one language. Only one language. Now last one is ology. Ology means study of. And what is the new word of zoology? Zoology? Yes, the meaning of zoology is the scientific study of animals. The scientific study of animals. This is the exercise number 1. Now we will discuss about the exercise number 2, which is on the page number 31. Now what is in exercise number 2? Complete this table by making 3 new words with the given prefixes and suffix. One has been done for you. Students, you have to complete this table by making 3 new words. Students, prefix and suffix in the are given in the first column and you have to make new 3 words by using these prefix and suffix. So let's start. First one is done for you. What is first? First is in. Students, in is prefix and you have to make 3 new words by using this in prefix. So first one is ensure, second one is enlist, and last one is encircle. Now second one is in. Students, you have to make 3 new words by using in prefix. So first one is income, second one is indoor, and last one is incomplete. Now next one is dumb. Student, this is a suffix and you have to make 3 words by using dumb suffix. So first one is kingdom, second one is freedom, and last one is official dumb. Now next one is ir. Ir is a prefix and you have to make 3 new words by using ir. So first one is irregular, second one is irresponsible, and last one is irritate. Next one is hood. So first one is childhood, next one is brotherhood, and last one is neighborhood. Next, sixth one is miss. Miss is a prefix and the 3 new words are, first is misprint, second one is misguide, and last one is misbehave. Next one is meant. First is arrangement, next one is adjustment, and last one is ornament. Next, shun, T-I-O-N, shun. So first one is motion, next one is action, and last one is addition. Next is over. So first is overflow, next overconfident, and last one is overjoy. Now 10th is ness. So first is sweetness, next is weakness, and last one is sickness. Next, able. So first is acceptable, next is countable, and last one is lovable. Now last one is 12th, less. First is hopeless, second is helpless, and last one is painless. So this is the exercise number 2, which you have to write 3 new words by using this prefix and suffix. Now moving on, next exercise. This is exercise number 3rd. And what is the exercise? What is in exercise number 3rd? So first A, add the suffix ir, r, or, and ier to change these verbs into nouns. Make the necessary change when adding the suffix. Students, in this question you have to add the suffix er, r, or, and ier at the end of all these given words. So first one is do. Do. Students, you have to add suffix. Firstly, you will think in your mind whether you can use er or r, or ier at the end of do. Yes, students, you have to add er at the given word do. Now next one is act. You have to add or. It means actor, and actor becomes noun. Next one is carry. Students, you have to add carrier, ier. Ier you have to add at the given word carry. It means it becomes carrier. Carrier, a person who carries something. Now next one is wonder. Students, you have to add er at the given word. Now next one is operate. Students, you have to add only r at the given word operate. Now next one is invent. Students, you have to add er at the given word invent. When we have added er at the given word invent, it becomes noun. Now seventh one is purify. Students, you have to add ier at the given word purify. Before adding ier, you have to remove y. Okay, it becomes purifier. Purifier becomes a noun. Now eighth one is distribute. Distribute. Students, you have to add only r. Okay, distributor, and distributor becomes noun. Next one is ninth, write. Students, you have to add only r and it becomes noun. Last one is create. Students, you have to add only r. Okay. Now next one is fill in the blanks by adding a prefix or a suffix to the words given in the bracket. Students, what is in the question number B? In the bracket you have given a word and you have to add whether a prefix or a suffix. Okay. So let's start the first question. Nitin was acting in a child manner. Students, you have to add suffix ies, child, ish is a suffix. Okay, so Nitin was acting in a childish manner. Okay, now next one is second. Samaya looked blank and soon he began crying. Students, you will think in your mind whether prefix or a suffix can be used. Students, we will use un prefix at the beginning of happy. Okay, it becomes unhappy. When Samaya was unhappy, she began crying. Okay, now third one is he passed the exam. He was in the second attempt. So students, which suffix can we use here? We can use full. We can use full suffix at the end of given word success. Now fourth one is the team we supported won the champion. No, we have to add suffix at the given word. And which suffix? And the suffix is ship. The team was supported The team we supported won the championship. Now fifth one is I couldn't find any weakness in the theory. Sixth one is there were only a blank of people at the match. So we have to add full suffix at the given word. Now seventh one is the road was too narrow so they had to blank it. We have to add only R. Okay. So they have to widen it because the road was too narrow. Eighth one is I think you should blank your decision. Students, we have to add only re prefix at the beginning of consider word. Now ninth one is a blank of motivation and hard work is needed to succeed. Students, we have to add shun, combination. It becomes combination. A combination of motivation and hard work is needed to succeed. 10th one is her alarm clock didn't go off and as a result she, which prefix can we use? Overslept. Okay, she overslept. Why? Because her alarm clock didn't go off. Now 11th is we are blank with the way things are moving. We are unhappy with the way things are moving. Now 12th one is his blank and blank are really blank. So students, we can use ty, okay, t suffix at the given word loyal and ness suffix at the given word faithful, and last one is commendable. Able suffix we can use at the given word commend. Okay, his loyalty and faithfulness are really commendable. Now last one, C. Match the words or phrases in column A to their opposites in column B. Then add prefix un to the words in column B to make synonyms of the words or phrases in column A. One has been done for you. Students, in column A there are some words given, and in column B the opposite words of column A are given, and you have to add un. Okay, only un prefix at the given word to make a new word. So let's match. First one is done for you. Sad. What is the opposite of sad? Yes, happy. And in the first column un is used before the happy word and is equal unhappy. Okay, now second one, false. What is the opposite of false? Students, can you tell me? Yes, true. So we have to match. Okay, and there is un plus true and it becomes untrue. Next one is not sure. And what is the opposite of not sure? Yes, certain. The opposite of not sure is certain, and here is you have to use un at the beginning of certain and it becomes uncertain. Okay students, now next one is messy. Messy. What is the opposite of messy? Tidy. Yes, G1. Tidy. And you have to add un at the given word tidy and it becomes untidy. Okay. Now fifth one is ill. and the opposite of ill is well, and we have to add un before the given word well, and it become unwell. Now sixth one is not complete, and the opposite of not complete is finished, and we have to add on before the given word unfinished, and it become unfinished. Now seventh one is different, and the opposite of different is like, and you have to add on before like word, and it becomes unlike. Eighth is cruel. Cruel, opposite of cruel is kind, and you have to add on before the given word kind, and it becomes unkind. Ninth one is done to shoelaces, and the opposite of done to shoelaces is tie, and we have to add on before the given word tie, and it becomes untie. Okay, now last one is 10th. Take things out of a box, and the opposite of this is pack, and you have to add on prefix before the given word pack, and it becomes unpack. Okay, so that's it for today, students. In the next video lecture, we will discuss about some more exercise of the chapter number 5th. Till then, you will prepare your notes at your home and revise it again and again. Okay, we will meet soon in the next video lecture. Thank you, students.